We've absolutely loved the traditional Krakow building that we've stayed in the last 3.5 months during coronavirus lockdown. So just before we leave, we want to show people what it's like. You've got this incredible sort of raised apexes and these turrets as well. They're all a little bit crumbling and a bit run down, but they're still going strong. And this is what the outside facade looks like. And this is our apartment on the very bottom corner there.
Our balcony. We've had so many lovely sundowners and we've watched the trains.
So we've come through the big double doors into the vestibule. Lovely arched kind of Gothic design, really like that. And let's go through into the courtyard.
So this is Shodi 2.
I think this is quite typical. You've got a lovely courtyard with some greenery and a tree, an old building there, and then 4 stories. There's 3 different entrances to these stories, so 3 different ways in.
Yeah, okay, so that's that one there, and we come around. This is our entrance.
This is Shodi 3, our entrance, and then we come in through a buzzer. It's open at the moment, anyway.
I think the cleaner's on it.
Into the hallway. I love it. Stone steps. These are like 100 years old, over 100 years old, and they're worn down with the foot traffic that's gone over them over all those years. That's incredible.
See how worn they are.
Big double doors, entrances into 3 different apartments on each floor.
2 and 3.
We're on the first floor and there's a bit of noise there, so that's why I'm talking now. Let's go into our apartment. What I love about these places, we have one in Wrocław, and we noticed this one here as well. It's this incredible padding on the doors. Great noise insulation. There's noise out there. No noise at all. This is a brilliant thing I've only seen in Poland. I really like it. And I think these flats used to be like one big apartment. They've been changed into 3 separate flats just for Airbnb rentals. So. And it's modern inside. Been modernised with a little kitchenette here. And they've made like a tiny toilet and a tiny bathroom, and then you come through to the lounge and you see what the old rooms used to be like. Very high ceilings, much higher than we have in the UK. Lovely roses on. And they've made them into modern apartments. Really nice, like a lovely old building with character, but inside, nice modern, very flash apartments. We've really enjoyed our stay here, haven't we, Mandy?
Definitely. It's going to be a bit sad to leave, but yeah, we're excited to be moving on.
Little lounge, little bedroom.
We've got washing, drying before we pack and go.
And a lovely sun-drenched balcony. We spent many a afternoon on here, haven't we, Mandy?
Yeah.
Nice weather.
Having a sundowner, having a chat.
This building to this side, I think it was more of a modern build in the same design as the old one, so it looks renovated, whether it's an old one renovated or a new one built in the same design, but just to show the architectural style, like we've really enjoyed our stay in these places. It's brilliant. I don't know if it's typical of all of Poland, but hopefully we'll have a lot when we go around to the other cities. We'll see.
And so going to miss this. Been absolutely brilliant. Living beside a train line and the work going on. So we knew there was still life during lockdown.